Do you think education needs remodeling today?
What is education? Education is Vidya, which is supposed to enlighten the mind. The mind, which is endowed with awareness and the knowing power and the understanding only to the human beings. And the human beings are supposed to enhance the quality of the mind through education. When a man is born, he doesn't have the information as his mind is still not evolved. He has to learn from his environment, from people who have given birth to him, from the situations, from the experiences. So as he grows, we send him to the educational institution. When you send a child to an educational institution, what are the expectations of the parents? The expectations of the parents are supposed to be that my child should be an all-rounder. My child should educate himself for everything in life. But education, unfortunately, in today's world has become only information. Information of certain subjects and qualifying oneself in that subject is not education. That is only information. And in today's world, with the technology being so advanced, you can find any information you need from your own laptop, from your own computer, which is fed as many informations as you want. I'm not going to speak about the quality of the information that's being fed in the computer or the laptop. I know it's incomplete because nobody knows who is the teacher behind this information. So when you want to be educated, there is a need to have a teacher, a guru. There is a vast difference between a teacher and a guru. Teacher is one who does his or her job according to her abilities to make her livelihood or make his livelihood. But the guru is one who completely gives himself, his commitment to that teaching profession. He makes sure that the student, when he comes out of the institution, he is a complete human being. I'll give you an example where we have gone wrong down the line. We have attributed education to materialistic things, to earn materialistic things as an acquisition. We are only focused on one of the purusharthas, and that is the ardha, that is acquisition, the power, the desire to acquire. When you have the desire to acquire, you have to educate yourself. For what? To get a job. When you want to get a job, you have to have these informations in your head. That is the definition of education today. And when you get a job, you earn as much as you want, or maybe not. But the satisfaction does not come to me when I am working. Why? What is the reason? Because my education is incomplete. It has not taught me how to handle my life as a career person, as a student, or as a sansari, as a person who is married, who has to manage a family. It has not qualified me for that. So you find all around us total confusion, total conflicts. People say, I am so highly qualified. I have the biggest degree from the top universities in the world. But I am still very stressful. I am still very confused. If I am educated, if I am qualified from the top universities, from the best teachers in the world, why am I still in conflict? What is it that is bothering me? What is it that is affecting me or hurting me? What is affecting me is my own incompleteness of my education. There has to be an enlightenment. Education means enlightenment of your learning. For example, if I learn the subject called history, when I do history, am I just doing that subject because I have to pass my exams, or I have to please my teachers, or do I have to please my parents? Do I have to please any institutions? Or am I doing that subject only to get a job? Then that history becomes invaluable in the dictionary of education. The history as a subject gets the value if you understand the characters, if you understand the people who lived as legends, people who contributed something to take that place in the books of history. They must have done something to deserve that. So I have to go deep into the subject and learn what is required to learn, required to be learned. And so also comes the professional. When I educate myself, I go into a professional thing, professional company. I become a CEO. I become everything that I have to be, or I aspire for things. And that is the period when I feel that I am inadequate. I have got the education, I have got the inspiration, I have got all the information that is required for me, but unfortunately, I am still feeling inadequate within myself, because the real education is how to face the challenges of life. That is the real education. And that only a guru can give you that. A guru takes it upon himself to groom the student in totality, in full completeness. And when you qualify yourself, you are a confident human being. And the teacher and the guru becomes part of you, because they are the ladders. You are stepping onto the ladder one by one to reach your goal. And when you reach your goal, you may not need the ladder, but you cannot deny the fact that ladder existed with you when you went higher in your life to qualify yourself.